No, you leave it alone. Stay up there. You said you'd be a good boy.
I am 43
Are you
and I
going to
have
be a
not
good boy?
routinely applied makeup in over
Stay
20
up there.
years.
Come on. Up there.
I recently decided I need a skincare routine
Harvey,
and to
be
learn how to
good.
do makeup for an old person.
I know, it's so sad you didn't get anything, huh? No, you can't have that. I don't care. It's not for you. Not for you. Not for Burbos. No, it's not. It's not for parrots. Yeah, I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. Mm-hmm. I'm sure. You're a good boy. How about you go up there and come back later?
My sister's Christmas gift came in today. It was a huge box of really nice
nice.
makeup and skincare. I cannot wait to figure this all out.
Thanks. Now we gotta pick out the lipstick. Just look. No touching. What do you think? Thanks. You think I should do anything else? This is all I ever used to do.